How to deactivate your Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to deactivate our Instagram account, we have to actually use our browser instead of the app. So open your browser, go to instagram.com and make sure that you're signed in. Tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to the profile page. Then tap the edit profile option located at the top of your screen. When you go to the edit profile page, simply scroll down and at the very bottom right you'll find temporarily deactivate my account. Make sure to tap the temporarily deactivate my account option. Select your reason as to why you want to deactivate it and make sure to simply enter your password. Tap on deactivate and your Instagram account will get deactivated. That's all it takes to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.